Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math algebra problem. So here we have, this is a logarithmic equation in which we have log x square minus log x equals to 6, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here first we need to write this logarithmic equation into the simple quadratic form, because this is the equation of highest power 2, so we easily convert this equation into the quadratic form. Okay, so first we convert this into the quadratic form, and after that we move towards to find the values of x. Okay, so here first we need to substitute this log x equals to y. So we will just write it here. We take y is equals to log of x. Okay, so when you take y equals log of x, our above equation is written as, we replace this log x equals y, it will be written as y square minus this is also y, and this whole equation equals to 6. So this is quadratic equation but not into the standard form. So now here we need to convert this into the standard form. First of all, so we move this 6 in the left hand side, so it will be written as y square minus y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is quadratic equation, and you have three methods to solve this type of quadratic equation. So that our first method is, we easily make the factors of this equation, and the second method is you can solve this problem with the completing square method, and the third method is you can also apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, so here I can just solve this problem with the help of quadratic formula, but it's up to you. You can use any other two methods in which you easily get the values of x. Okay, so here first, in order to apply the quadratic formula, we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to -1, and c equals to -6. These are the coefficients of the above equation. And now further, we first write the quadratic formula. So it is stated as y equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula. And now here, in order to move further, we need to substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula. So first we have the value of b is -1. We substitute it here, and it will be written as minus times of -1 plus minus square root of b square. So b is -1 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is -6, and it is divided by 2 times of a, so our a is 1. So here we need more simplifications in order to find the value of x. So that here first we find the value of y. So you have minus times of minus becomes +1, and plus minus square root of -1 square becomes +1, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus, and 4 times of 6 equals to 24, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so after this step we have 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 24 equals to 25, and it is divided by 2. So further we write this equation as, here we know about the square root of 25. So square root of 25 equals to 5, and it is divided by 2. So this expression implies that here we break this combined value in two forms. So that first we write the positive value, it is 1 plus 5 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 1 minus 5 divided by 2. So here in this case we have 1 plus 5 becomes 6 over 2, and in this case we have y equals minus 4 over 2. Okay, so you get the value of y from this case is 2 3s are 6. We have y equals 3, and in this case we have, this is 2 times of 2 is 4, and we get y equals minus 2. So here you see that we have two values of y, but now we need to move backward and we substitute the value of y here, and we have the value of y is taken as log x equals to 3, and in this case we have log x equals to minus 2. So here, because we solve this problem for the values of x, so in order to remove this log we need to take the anti-log on both of the sides, so it will be written as e to the power of log x equals to e to the power of 3. So here e be the anti-log. Okay, so similarly here in the second case we again take the log anti-log, it will be written as e to the power of minus 2. So this e and log are cancelled by each other, and we get x is equals to e cubed or e to the power of 3. So this is the first solutions of the given equation. Similarly here you see that this e and log are gone, and you get the value of x equals to e to the power of minus 2, and we write it as 1 over e squared. Okay, so these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.